Coaster Fusion here, and I'm back with another construction update on a bright and sunny Six Flags Over Texas morning to check on AQUAMAN Power Wave. And wow, have they been doing a lot since I was last here. Guess what? They don't have one spike up, they now have the other vertical spike up. So basically all the track is complete. I am super happy for them. I'm expecting this to open maybe sometime around maybe spring break or April or something. I'm guessing that. And they also have the launch mechanism set up right there. And now, if you didn't know what the launch mechanism does for the ride, the launch mechanism actually will boost you backwards if you're sitting in the back or the front. Well, it'll just boost you backwards, and then you'll go up the spike and then go down, and the launch will act as another booster that will give you enough momentum to go up this vertical spike right here, and then you fall back down. It'll boost some more, and then finally it'll act as a brake run that will return you back into the station. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm just worried if there will be a turntable in that. Some people are saying yeah, there will be a turntable, but some people are saying no, Six Flags is too much on a budget to add a turntable. We'll just have to see. I am really hoping for a turntable, but judging by the space here, I don't know if it's going to have a turntable. I guess they could make room for it, but what I'm zoomed in on right here is maybe where they'll put the splash down. And in my opinion, this looks kind of short. I was expecting it to be a little bit longer, like see, like it would like go around over there. Yeah, it's actually very compact in person, but it still looks massive as well. So yeah, let's go around and see if we can get better views of it. So here's a better view of the backwards, the forward vertical spike, sorry. As you can see, it's unlike the vertical spike right there, this vertical spike is actually tilted at an angle a bit. I don't know if the train will actually, geez, this phrase is loud, but I don't know if the train will actually like get up to the like beyond vertical part of the spike, but we'll just have to see. It didn't get up there in the animation, but who knows, it might get up there. And speaking of the animation and speculations, back to the turntable, if they do a turntable, this will boost capacity a lot, because they already found out a way to boost capacity with Mr. Freeze, which is just behind me right here, over there. Let's get a good look at. They actually found a way to boost capacity by adding a slider so that one train could load while the other could complete the ride course. I wish more shuttle coasters did that, but the bad news is now that that Six Flags only decides to use the slider instead of the other. So basically one train out, meaning lines are atrocious. So if they don't put in a turntable for this, I don't know how the capacity will be. I mean, I know it's going to be a capacity nightmare, especially on opening day, because like it's going to be new, so lines are going to be like outrageous, and that's going to be a lot of waiting if they don't put in a turntable. So Six Flags, if you're watching this, please put in a turntable. Anyways, guys, that is going to conclude my construction update for AQUAMAN Power Wave coming in 2020. I am super excited to ride this, and I've actually gotten news now since between filming this. You may have remembered that I really wanted to have them do a turntable. Well, I got news as I was walking over to here that they aren't doing a turntable, so that's pretty sad. Hour-long waits in line are going to be pretty fun. So yeah, I'm kind of bummed about that, but overall I'm excited for this ride. I think it'll be a good ride. People in Pulsar say the launches are intense and forceful, so I'm excited That makes me more excited. And yeah, anyways, if you enjoyed this construction update, be sure to like and follow, subscribe to the channel, ring the bell icon so you will not miss any new Push Fusion content. And until next time, Thrill Seekers, peace out.
Wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight.